Welcome back to Overheat, Audi Motorhome 2026, a combination of sustainable mobility, luxury, and technology. External, iconic and aerodynamic design. Digital matrix LED lighting, the newest digital matrix LED technology, which provides sophisticated adaptive lighting features, will be used in the headlights and taillights. Smooth body surfaces will be achieved through the use of lightweight composite materials and cutting-edge building methods. Easy and elegant access. An artfully integrated automatic staircase and a smooth opening mechanism will be features of the main entrance design. Interior, integrated technology and luxurious functionality. Premium materials and fine touch, finely finished natural wood and Alcantara leather are examples of high-quality materials. Intelligent management system. The touchscreen allows for easy management of a number of RV features, including the entertainment system, lighting, temperature, and even kitchen equipment. Advanced kitchen equipment includes a convection oven, an induction hob, an energy-efficient refrigerator, and perhaps an integrated automatic coffee maker. Intelligent and hidden storage. A variety of clever and covert storage options will make the most of available space and maintain a tidy and orderly atmosphere. Performance and drivetrain. Full electric drivetrain BEV. The RV will have a sizable battery with a considerable range if the BEV is utilized. Plug-in hybrid PHEV. This option combines an electric motor, battery, and internal combustion engine, probably a tiny, efficient one. Adaptive suspension system. In a range of driving conditions, the enhanced ride comfort of an adaptive air suspension system with electronic damper control is guaranteed. Superior driver support features. The 2026 Audi Motorhome will come with all of the newest driver assistance technologies ADAS, such as automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control,